Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to stop pop-ups ads on Samsung. If you're getting pop-ups on your Samsung home screen, swipe down after you get a notification to bring down the notification panel. Long press the pop-up to open the app's notification settings, then tap Turn off notifications. Or tap Settings to further customize the app's pop-up settings, allowing you to stop the pop-ups completely. You can stop pop-ups on Android for multiple apps at once through your Android settings. Open your Android settings and then tap on Notifications. Select App Notifications. Tap All, then filter the list by most recent. Toggle off notifications for apps that are bothering you with pop-ups. You can also tap a specific app to open advanced notification settings and customize the individual pop-ups further. Hopefully, you never have to ask yourself. Besides coming from third-party apps, pop-ups ads on your Samsung can also come from the web. But don't worry, you can also stop online pop-up ads from appearing on Android in a browser like Chrome or Firefox. To stop pop-ups ads coming from a third-party app, you first need to find the offending app. Check your recent apps to see which one sent you a pop-up. The ad-serving apps should be near the top. There's no standard way to do this across all Androids, but the option should be similar across most Android devices. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.